The in-between of understanding Rashida Phillips's comment to someone else online. But alas, it appears you are still using the privilege of whiteness to gain currency that you don't deserve. Thinking of the term deserve, from the Latin to serve zealously, to serve well, weighing again my skin, the uncounted luxuries it provides. My writing collective says, in questions of society, we are on the side of poetry. And Jack Spicer says, poems could never, or likely will never, prove me wrong, pay anyone back. The in-between of if Spinoza is right and no one does wrong knowingly, then why are the ice caps still melting and baby polar bears still stuck on dwindling cubes like carnival rides? We see ourselves as aligned with their destinies. Their fate is ours. We say we understand this. But when I told my therapist that my father had done the very best he could, she looked at me askew. We say that, but did he? Was that his very best, floating off drunk, leaving you out all day in the Colorado River, skin burning in the sun? The in-between of broken heart syndrome. Scientists write that one way to cool the planet is to spray the sky white with tiny particles that reflect the sun's heat back into space. Make no mistake, this is an end-of-time solution. When I realized my husband would likely never recover, the best parts of him didn't disappear. Didn't always glow with the uncontrollable addiction. Maybe that's why the heart breaks in two. One side holds the hope of healing, the other lives out the extent of the damage done. The in-between of the 13-year-old boy's paragraph when he wrote, "My dad is sick, and at the end of Beowulf he dies. I don't think my father will die, but he is sick and he has been going to the hospital. This is showing maybe his last but not least battle, because my dad has shown me a lot and I should be able to take on my own battles now." The assignment asked students for a modern-day hero. I typed advanced without consulting the 4-point rubric. The in-between of etymology, the word operate, from 17th century Italy, done by labor. Julie Andrews' botched surgery stole her voice, so much diligent labor undone. When the college app asked for an influential woman, my child wrote Julie Andrews. Milquetoast and embarrassing as the answer seemed to me, he said, "But she made so many people happy." Think of that, physician, his realization of the labor done by his hands. 4 octaves gone. Andrews said, "It will change something inside me forever." The in-between of misogyny in the 70s, I had mostly male role models. Frank Sinatra, Johnny Carson, Evel Knievel, who got his name in jail and bragged that he daily drank a 5th of whiskey. I thought, if he can jump over 13 double-decker buses, I can ride my bike super fast, stand on the handlebars, and stretch out my arms like the Savior Jesus, flying and defying any danger, while my parents fought in the house, nearer to divorce. I pedaled like a daredevil and learned how their stunts would leave me bloody.